The main temple of Bet Dwarka, also known as the Dwarkadhish or Keshavraiji Temple, is traditionally believed to stand at the residence site of Krishna during his reign in Dwarka. According to legend, this island served as Krishna's original abode and administrative center. The temple's origins are considered ancient, though the present structure reflects later medieval renovations. Historical accounts suggest that the temple was rebuilt and restored multiple times due to coastal weather and invasions. The shrine has long been associated with Vaishnavite worship and is an important part of the Dwarka pilgrimage circuit. Devotees believe that Sudama, Krishna's childhood friend, visited him at this very place. The temple architecture reflects regional Gujarati style with fortified walls and carved pillars. Bet Dwarka itself has yielded archaeological findings such as ancient anchors, indicating its historical maritime significance. For centuries, pilgrims reached the temple by boat from Okha, maintaining its traditional island character. Today, the Bet Dwarka main temple remains a spiritually and historically significant extension of the sacred city of Dwarka.